Not every attempt ends well. Some end on camera. The machinery tried its best. He didn't. Pure chance, not my stance.
Donald Trump dice que debemos hablar inglés.
I guess the rig wanted to share some of that black gold. That wasn't a repair. That was a jump scare. Clear the deck before you move. A 2-pound hammer from 6 feet up is a weapon. Live wire, gear required.
Алло? Бегу, 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 да.
A single misfire turns straight into full regret. Inflating tires is never as easy as it looks. Always keep a safe distance. That wasn't an accident. That was a divine smackdown. No injuries, just a free safety tutorial. Working on a ladder with a high-power drill is a balancing act you don't want to lose.
Aquí mi amigo empezó que tenía frío y ahorita ya tiene calor.
He touched it once, and the pole said, The inflatable boat hit him with the plot twist package. Disguised as a machine. He trusted that roof edge way more than it trusted him.
Oh! Jesus!
It's designed for protection, not accidental harm. A tough reminder that new walls need time and distance. One ramp, one car, 0 success. Love that math. If the bolt is stuck, use penetrating oil, not just brute force and a shaky pipe. Rescue attempt? More like unexpected plot twist.
Okay, how?
Hey, it was just a kiss. More ouch than moi. Bro turned the excavator into a personal dirt sprinkler. Electricity doesn't laugh, it zaps.
Abi seyaranı yaptım bak. Erdal baba seyaranı yaptım. Hazır. Fişe takıyorum. Kendi imalatım yani kendim yaptım. Bismillah ya Allah.
Fast vibe, wild ride. I didn't know a 2-ton forklift could do the side plank pose. This is why dropping an anchor isn't a simple task. The load was heavy. but the embarrassment was heavier.
Ne bitti? Kaya hop. Hoppa.
A true illustration of on-site awkwardness. The worker clocked in, the machine clocked out. Bro didn't lose control. The tractor just quit its job. Never catch a falling load. Use a slide or a pulley. Machinery can still tackle the toughest environmental challenges today. Meet the mountain goat of machinery. Playing Lego on an industrial scale. This crane makes moving tons of concrete look like a walk in the